Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliyah if you didn't already know, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that we can be friends. So today baby, I know you guys have seen the little nature's fruit thing going all around, the nature cereal I should say, because the fruit is a part of nature. This is nature's cereal. I've seen it on TikTok, and then I've seen it on Twitter, and I've seen it on everywhere. So I was like, yes, this right here. It looks like good. I mean, did it for real though. It looked good because it's fruit, and I like fruit. It didn't look good on the aspect of, oh my goodness, run me that. I mean, it did, but like, you know what I'm saying? It looked good, but not that good. Especially because they're using coconut water. Now, I don't know about y'all. Maybe my taste buds are broken. Coconut water tastes like dirty socks. Maybe it's the brand I got. I got some more coconut water today. So if it tastes good, I'm on it. I wanted to like it so bad, but I was like, what is that? So that's what made the whole nature cereal unappealing to me, because I didn't like the way coconut water tasted. However, I got a few options. So when you think of cereal, you think of milk, right? So I got coconut milk. I don't know how that's gonna taste. I don't think I've ever had coconut milk like that. It's just straight out the can. Whoop. So I got some coconut milk. I got some coconut water. And then I have some Sprite. Right. I'm gonna taste the cereal with all three: the milk, the water, and the Sprite. And I feel like it's gonna taste the best with the Sprite, because fruit and Sprite, it's just like a match made in heaven, because man, Sprite. So I'm gonna try it all. I'm gonna give it all my honest taste test. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it is, guys. So without further ado, let's do this. I got the fruit holiday. No, but I did put all the bowls together. I did one coconut water, one coconut milk, and one Sprite. The coconut milk one looks interesting. The Sprite looks delicious, and the coconut water one looks boring. But I did try that coconut water I used, the Goya. It tastes so good. It tastes way better than the last one I had. I got the other one at a gas station. I completely forgot the brand, but it tastes like dirty socks. That would have left a lasting impression on my mind. So I'm glad I tried some coconut water that wasn't freaking nasty. I got all treat bowls. I'm gonna do an honest little taste test. I'm kind of biased because I love Sprite, but I'm gonna give them all an honest review. I'm kind of scared. I'm scared to try the coconut milk one. Like I don't know what that's about to taste like. I don't know. Hello. Can y'all see me? Do I look crazy? The light kind of looks uneven on my end. What about y'all? All right, let's get into this taste test. I'm gonna put the mic. Oh, I got a little clipsy poo. I mean, I guess. No. Can you hear me? We good? Ah! I have the fruit. Thumbnail. No, but this one is the coconut water one. I'll insert a video. I put mango, blackberry, red berry, raspberry. This definitely a fucking raspberry. I got some pomegranate seeds and some blueberries. Oh, and strawberries. There's strawberries in here. So that's the basis for everything. I tried pomegranate seeds for the first time a few days ago, and I'm a fan. So we're gonna try coconut water one first, the original. You gonna take the first bite? Here you go. Alright, here we go. I want to get a little bit of everything. Blackberry. Oh, a strawberry, bitch. I ain't gonna get everything in one bite. Let's try. Hold on, let me get another. Hold on. Damn, I did not know what that was gonna taste like. That is really good. Dang, this might be giving Sprite a run for its money. I was talking all that stuff. Hold on. That's a hit. Mom, that is a hit. So I'm right out of 10. I feel like that's I should do that before I taste everything else. Oh, this is good. They wasn't lying. Hold on. I see you, TikTok. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this the fruit with the coconut water a 10. This is really good, y'all. I can't even lie. Like, that is good. It looks smoky. I mean, it was a good idea. It was definitely a good idea. But taste-wise, let's see. It might shock me like the other one. I'm scared. I don't want to try this one. Yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna throw it up. I mean, it wasn't disgusting, but it wasn't that good. Honestly, it kind of tasted weird. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. But out of 10, I gotta score it a 4.5. Yeah, I give it a 4.5. Now onto the Sprite, bitch. This one is the one I was most excited to try. Okay, Sprite. Woo! That was spicy as hell. Y'all know when y'all drink a fresh can of Sprite and it's spicy? That was a spicy bite. Oh wow.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
It's good, don't get me wrong. I thought I would love this because I love Sprite, and Sprite and fruit is really good together. But I don't love it that much. It just ain't hitting like I thought it would. Wow. I think I'm gonna have to give this one a 6. I'm shocked. I thought I would love this one. Them blueberries are sour, boy. Ooh. They got a little tang to it. So, I thought, let me get down on y'all level, you know what I'm saying? I thought that I would love the Sprite one because I love Sprite. And I'm sorry, y'all, my allergies are messing with me, so my nose itch. I keep doing it. I thought I would like the Sprite one the most because I love Sprite, but I was proven wrong today. The winner was the just the regular coconut water, and that was the one I thought I would like the least, and I ended up liking that one the most. Ain't that crazy? Yeah, that was me testing a little TikTok thing. I guess TikTok do know what they talking about sometimes. Okay, don't be so quick to judge them or whatever. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. If I had some ice, I would have threw some ice cubes in there because I'm a weirdo and I put ice in my regular cereal anyway. I like it being cold. But yeah, if it was colder, it would have been perfect. But even still, like, that was good. So I hope you guys like my taste test. I know this is real random. I'm in my pajamas and stuff, but hey, I wanted to try it. I wanted to see what all the hoopla was about. So I hope you guys liked it. If you try it, let me know in the comments which one you like the most. If you try all three, bitch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for me. Hey, new videos every week. A lot of these fruits I don't even buy on the regular. Like, I ain't a pomegranate, bitch. It was fun to try it though. See you guys in my next video.